Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate the recall report screen. The purpose of the recall report is to identify the last visit of patients to the practice and assess the need for new appointments. Utilizing the recall report, you are able to send SMSs or emails to remind clients to schedule another appointment with the practitioner. In this video, we will start on the report screen. Click on the CRM tab. The Build Bulk Email SMS screen will open. Click on the Recall Report subtab. The Recall Report screen will open. We will now take a look at the various fields and buttons within this screen. Click on a Default Filter drop-down menu. The Default Filter option will display all the available filters. Complete the necessary patient information for all the fields on which you want the filter to be based. Click Update Results to refresh the recall report list and apply the latest filtering based on the updated information. Click on the Reset Filters button to empty all the filter fields. To filter according to patient birth dates, click on a patient date of birth from and to fields and select the relevant dates. Click on a Data Status drop-down menu and select the applicable data status. To select the gender of the patient, click on a Patient Gender drop-down menu and make your selection. You can toggle between showing or hiding inactive patients by clicking on Active Patient slider. Click on a Treating Practitioner drop-down menu and select the practitioners you would like to display. Click on the respective ICD-10 and procedure fields to input the relevant details for the list to filter. You may also adjust the display, the to and from booking dates the screen will filter to. Once all the information has been completed, click on the Update Results button. The recall report will be generated according to the filter selected. We will now take a quick look at the buttons located within the generated list. Click on the Select All button to tick all the listed patient checkboxes, selecting them all. Click on the Expand Widths button to adjust the column widths to display the entire text within each column. Click on the Reset Widths button to change the display of the list back to its default state. The columns on the report and list screens can be sorted in ascending or descending order, as well as in specific rank order by clicking on the Sort Columns button. For more information on how to sort columns, please refer to the How to Sort Columns on Report and List Screens user manual linked in this video's description. Choose Column allows you to select the columns that you would like to see on the specific report or list screen. For more information regarding choosing columns, please refer to the How to Choose Columns on Report and List Screens user manual linked in this video's description. From the filtered list, select the desired patient by ticking the checkbox in their respective field. Next, click on a Sidebar expander. You will be presented with various actions you are able to perform on the selected patient or as a bulk action. Lastly, the recall report list can be exported to a CSV file should you wish to print or save to your computer or open the form in an Excel format. Please note that in order to export to CSV, patients or data should be selected first from the list.